I got this simple recipe which I'm gonna be share with you guys for you to make at home. So hope you guys will like this recipe, all right? And not only that, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, all right, guys? So it's gonna be a simple one, very, very simple. It's also a weight loss recipe. I'm gonna go through now and show you exactly what you guys are gonna need to do. So we're gonna need some celery. So this is my blender, and so you need to get some celery. So we're using one celery stick right here. All right. I'm gonna be using roughly about half a cucumber, which is gonna be fresh cucumber. All right. So cucumber into the blender. And these are organic cucumber, the best. Nice one. Now I'm gonna be using some green apple. Right, green apple. I'm using one medium size green apple. All right, guys. And then we're gonna put some ginger. And these are some fresh organic ginger inside of it. Next, you're gonna get some lime, or you can use lemon. So I'm gonna use some lime. And key lime is the best to use inside of it. Nice one. Lovely. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna get some water. We're not gonna be using too much water, but also you can put a pinch of apple cider vinegar inside of it. Just a pinch. Then we're gonna put some water. We're gonna cover it. And then we're gonna take this to the blend. All right, very healthy green smoothie to have in the morning. That's my glass. So we're gonna make some noise. Lovely. So that looks so good so far. I must simply say to you guys, this is beautiful, honestly, and I will encourage you to try this one at home. All right, ready for you guys do. Always good to try something new. So you don't want to strain it, you want to have everything with the fiber same way, just like this. All right, that looks good, guys. All right, serve it with a nice slice of piece of lemon. Beautiful. Look at that. That is amazing. Now, if you like the recipe, leave your comments and please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you guys. And whatever you guys do at home, remember, you can never go wrong with a healthy green smoothie in the morning for breakfast or whatever time. All right. Yeah. So if you like it, leave your comments and also tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Subscribe is very, very good. 100%. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.